combustion?
Yeah.
Yeah, what does it mean?
To explode.
To explode. It's a fancy word for fire, explosion, yeah. So we need three things for combustion to happen. We need heat, we need fuel or something to burn, and we need oxygen. So inside of this bottle, we've got the fuel, it's a liquid, and we've got oxygen, of course, because it's in the air around us. So I just need to add heat. So I'm going to just drop a match into the bottle.
Man.
Now just let me remind you to not try this anywhere. Yeah. All right, here we go. A 3, a 2, a 1. Hey!
How'd you kill the
Let's
lights?
do it again!
How'd you kill the lights?
Magic.
How did...
She said 3, a 2, a 1.
3, 2, 1. Ooh. Okay. So the first time, whoosh. The second time,
Nothing.
why didn't it work the second time? What happened? Let's see. Yes. Used all the fuel. Good guess. We do still have fuel inside the bottle. So, what could be the other thing then? Who haven't I heard from? You. Yes.
Maybe like it didn't have enough time to build up more oxygen.
Yeah, you're right. It didn't have time to build up more oxygen. This bottle has a really narrow opening, so only a little bit of oxygen can get in there at a time. And we used up all the oxygen that was inside. We created carbon dioxide in there too. So the second time, it didn't have the ingredients for the combustion. So no more fire. No more whoosh. This is called the whoosh bottle, by the way. I know, it's a good name, right? So we'll just move on to another experiment. Okay. So we used a liquid fuel, and now we're going to move on to experiment with gas. There is a special kind of gas in here. Anybody want to guess what it is? Yes? Helium gas. Well, we definitely put helium gas in balloons. We take them to people to cheer them up, or birthday parties and things like that. What do you think would happen if you got your helium balloon too close to your birthday candles on the cake? You want to go ahead and guess? Yeah. Okay. Well, a helium balloon will pop, but since helium isn't flammable, you won't have a big fiery explosion. So there are several gases that are lighter than air, which makes them float, and helium is one of them. Let's see. Any guesses on what else might be in here?
Maybe oxygen?
Oxygen? Well, oxygen is not lighter than air. So oxygen doesn't make balloons float. Let's see. Yeah, here.
Hydrogen?
Ooh, hydrogen. Good guess. Hydrogen is lighter than air, and it happens to start with H, so it's kind of fun to compare it to helium. And hydrogen is very flammable. It's used as a fuel in some places. And if we were to put a hydrogen balloon next to our birthday candle, what do you think would happen? Boom! Well, let's just test it out. Let's see if it's hydrogen or helium. You know, I went to the back where our supplies are, and I went to a tank that had an H on it. So I'm thinking it's either hydrogen or helium. Ready? You might want to cover your ears just in case. All right. Now, for this one, let's count down together from 3, 2, 1.
Awesome. Cool. That hurt your ears? No. Was it loud though?
Oh my goodness, look at this. Balloon pieces everywhere.
That was awesome.
I agree.
Souvenirs.
That was boss. Just saying.
Can we do it again?
Yeah, can we do it with that next one?
Okay, so yes, it was hydrogen. I don't think I'd really just have a balloon that wouldn't explode. That'd be kind of boring, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so hydrogen is flammable. That was our fuel in this experiment. And did you feel some heat coming off of that? Yeah. This is a good explosion.
That was.
Exothermic reaction. Okay, so the grand finale. Listen carefully. Now there's something in this balloon that was not in the first balloon. We've put something inside that's going to change the way that our explosion looks. So think about the first one, and then when you see this one, you're going to have to compare what is going to happen. Or what happens. All right, it's going to be loud again. It's going to be hot again.
You don't know. Is it loud?
No.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
It was hotter than the first one.
What was different?
It flew
What
out
was
the side.
different? Yeah. That one was pink. But not the balloon, right?
No, the explosion.
The explosion, absolutely, yes. So the stuff that was inside was called potassium chloride. Potassium is metal, chloride is salt. It's actually an ingredient that's used in fireworks, so it changes the color of a flame. So we just put some of that salt in our balloon, and when it exploded, a chemical reaction happened, and boom, pink fire. Yeah,
That was pink
I
fire.
love that one.
Booed me.
Right. Well, that was our grand finale, but we went out with a bang, right?
That was a good one.
Well, you guys have definitely livened up a lot with those explosions. I hope that you have a great time today at your visit at the Science Center. Gonna go to the IMAX next and relax and enjoy a film. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your school year. How many days do you have left?